Hey Les,
Natan, good to see you, my friend.
good to see you, and thank you for having us at GTC 2026.
It is a pleasure to have Tulip at GTC 2026. I guess for everybody on, I'm Les Kepras. I'm the Inception Global Head of Physical AI. Tulip is one of our favorite companies within our ecosystem that I broadly oversee, but it's also worth mentioning that we've known each other for a long time.
It's been a journey, as they say.
So before NVIDIA, I used to be at Stanley Black Decker, where we piloted Tulip years ago. And we immediately saw crazy ROI. In fact, we saw $5 million savings in each factory we implemented Tulip in, and Stanley has since integrated Tulip into over 55 factories.
Yep.
When I left Stanley Black Decker to come to NVIDIA, I got to take Tulip with me, which kind of was like starting on third base as far as my career here at NVIDIA comes.
And it's been quite a journey with you guys. Of course, it's kind of coming up on a year that we had this vision and how the rapid evolution of new models, and not just foundational text-driven models, but world models, robotic foundational models, and of course visual models all come together to empower physical AI. And I wanted to ask you, like, you know, everyone in this conference is now talking about physical AI. How do you define it?
I define physical AI as when a real world input is being inferenced by a trained AI model that is going to either document or action on something in real life.
Yeah, and that's a really tough problem. That was what got us really excited to work with the team here in NVIDIA, putting to work the great VSS blueprints, core technologies like Cosmos, like Nemo, all the frameworks, all the great engines. Of course, on the edge, you're talking from Jetson to RTXs and everything in between. So it's been pretty amazing.
Can you say more about how you have implemented VSS Blueprint and what ROI it's created for you guys?
Yeah, the hard part, and of course this is what Tulip brings to the party of physical AI, which is very much top of mind here on the conference, and certainly for our customers. Our customers are large, multinational, multi-site operations that have all the complexity you can imagine between the lab, the warehouse, the factory. They have, lots of automations, physical assets, but they also have humans. And the idea that physical AI must take into account humans is, I think, very fundamental. So if you want to implement something like that, if you want to get the ground truth of what humans are doing in the context of an entire system, what you really need is an ecology of, models, video handling. You need the ability to classify, characterize the data, and make sure it's available and ready to have the handoffs between the edge and the cloud. As you know, playback, which we're super excited debuting here in GTC. It's been a bunch of work by the team that we're super proud of. It can actually handle this kind of stuff. It can actually hand off compute that needs to happen at the edge, where you're collecting vast amount of video. You might care about things like bandwidth or privacy, security, your IP, and you don't want to push all that to the cloud. So all that compute can happen with VSS at the edge. But at the same time, you can offload different types of compute needs to cloud models, and I think the blueprints are handling that kind of out of the box. And of course, we're, I think, breaking ground and making this available for folks that run manufacturing lines and warehouses and whatnot. And they need simple solution that they can trust and scale. And I think this is a very, very good example of how you can make it available.
And that really gets to one of the things that I admire most about you guys. So I know from personal firsthand experience how difficult it can be having innovative solutions come into a factory environment or a warehouse environment where they're really disruptive. And what we saw at Stanley Black Decker is how easy it was for our teams to implement Tulip, for how it gave them more control of the lines, of their plants, of their factories. And so our people on the ground felt empowered by Tulip. It wasn't taking power away from them, it was giving them new power they didn't have before. And that is something that I think only Tulip does within the industry.
Yeah, I think we're in this moment, and the tagline for GTC, it's start here, which to me, the positive way to think about this is empowerment starts here. So it's not just this is a new era, it's also the end of an era. The end of like people who are not given access to these core technologies. And I think AI is obviously rewiring work wherever we look, whether it's your back office or your marketing or your coding. But how do we rewire work in a physical environment? So the era of empowering those people, I think we're just scratching the surface. So it's super exciting to bring this stuff. And I can't thank NVIDIA enough for all the partnership and the ability to kind of solve the hard engineering problems together. And now we productize and scale it up, and it's been tremendous, like in the show here, to have all the meetings and seeing people respond to the ability they can correlate what the camera saw to an event in their ERP to their to the time of what people did, and like they can kind of close the loop finally. And it's like super exciting to see the response.
Yeah, let me just close by saying it's delightful watching you make your customers happy with NVIDIA's technology.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. It's all about the value of the customer. Les, thank you so much.
Done. Thank you.
Appreciate it. Take care.